Let me show you how to create photos into drawing in Photoshop. Let's start the video. Firstly, duplicate the layer. Convert to Smart Object. Go to Adjustment Layer, choose Hue Saturation. Reduce the saturation to -100. Choose this layer and press Ctrl+I for invert. Change the blending mode to Color Dodge. Go to Filter Blur and choose Gaussian Blur. Adjust the blur according to your image. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Levels. Add some darkness. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.